What's up guys, it's Megan. I hope you're having a magical day. Today I am doing a review of the GoPenguin carry-on bag. So I actually, with all my reviews, I like to be very thorough. So I took this with me on vacation to California, and I did some field testing. So I'm gonna give you 100% honest review. Spoiler alert, I absolutely loved it. I would highly recommend this suitcase, but just stay tuned for all the reasons why I loved it and why this is such a good carry-on suitcase. And let's just hop into the video. I also forgot to mention that GoPenguin had sent me this suitcase to test out and to review for you guys, but all of these opinions are my own and they are 100% honest. So here we go as I awkwardly roll my suitcase. Since this comes from Amazon, it took about 2 days for it to get here, and it came with this incredible dust cover for the whole suitcase, which I thought was very high-end. The handle was the absolute best height for me. It was super soft and the wheels just were so smooth. I had no trouble rolling my bag whatsoever, and like I said, the handle was just the perfect size for me. It went up and down so smoothly, so efficiently, and then it also has these two handles, one on the top and one on the side, which makes it easy to lift your luggage up if you're putting it in the overhead bin or just moving it anywhere. In addition to this, you have the TSA approved lock. So basically you put the zippers into the little lock mechanism there, and you can't move it unless you put in the right code. The code automatically sets to 000, but you could set it to whatever you want. And then when you want to release it, you just pull this little tab there and boop, it releases. So next we move on to the inside of the suitcase. So I find that this is probably the best feature of it, that it has this little zipper quarter. So this is actually where I stored my shoes and my ears to keep them safe. It has these little pockets, and then it also has this other section. This is actually where I packed all my clothes, and then it has two buckles that keeps your clothes in place when you're traveling, and then a couple more little pockets there. You could see I kept my contacts in there. You could really put whatever you want in there, but it does have these two bars where the handlebars are.
So as you guys can see on the bed here, we have a lot of stuff that needs to be packed away for my trip to Disneyland. So we've got all of my stuff sort of laid out, and I will be using my GoPenguin bag here, which is a carry-on size. I definitely only travel in carry-on sizes now, but this is what the bottom of the bag looks like. And then we have this little strap. It clicks in here into the sides. I'm gonna leave it open for now. It's got some nice zippers here, another zippers here, and then this section closes off like that. So I think I'm gonna put my shoes here, and I'm gonna put maybe some of my ears just so they don't get all messed up with the rest of my stuff. But I did already put my shoes in here so you guys could see my Converse. I'm gonna put stuff on top of them and then lay all my clothes in here. So here I am trying to put these 3 pairs of ears. I have some Christmas ears, some Winnie the Pooh ears, and some Haunted Mansion ears. I'm gonna try and put them over in this side with my shoes, only because then I could close this side off. So let's see. This is gonna be like brand new for me too, guys, so just bear with me. But there, oh, Winnie the Pooh isn't on this side, but I tried, guys, I tried. So I kind of want to have these ears over here with my shoes, because then I could close it and they'll be protected. So I know that everyone always asks for like a good tip on how to travel with ears, but honestly, I have not found one yet. I tend to put my ears in, I travel, here's a backpack, and I put this backpack inside of that backpack, and I generally put the ears inside the backpack or in between things that I know they're going to stay firm and they're not going to bend. So this will be really interesting to see how it works in here, and just to see if they, stay safe. And that's all I care about, keeping my ear safe. So yeah, we're gonna add a few more things to this section, but I'm gonna keep my shoes away from my clothes. I also think that that's a big thing when you're traveling. I'm just having this separation of being able to close it and then just not worry about something falling into my ears or you know, making my shoes make my entire bag smell or something like that. Not that I have super smelly shoes, but just, you know, the shoe smell. Let's keep packing. So you guys see that I am traveling with about 5 shirts, so I am going to place them in here. They fit really snug. I have 2 pairs of jean shorts. This is Bermuda shorts. The other one are like sort of regular shorts, and then I have a pair of jeans. So they fit actually really nicely in here, and there's still room over on this side. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to like fit my, oh, that would be a good fit for like my makeup brushes if I turn it this way. I actually think that would be a really great spot. Because it's the first time I'm using this bag, I'm still trying to figure out where everything is, but I think once I like get to know it a little bit better and find out the spacing, I think it'll work really, really well. So we're gonna add my pajamas. I'm actually just gonna put them right on top of my pants here. And as you guys know, this is a, like, this side has the, like, the extended handlebar. So there are some bumps down here, if you could see. So it's not completely flat on this side, but it does have the ability to like snap in and keep your clothes down. And then also this doesn't have like one of the extended, you know, like some of the suitcases that I've had, they do have like a little buffer of like 1 inch of like where you can extend the bag, but because it is a hard shell case, they don't have that. So we'll see how it goes, you know, when we're traveling. I really want to test it out and see how it goes. But right now, all my clothes are in, which is really amazing, and I still have a lot of room over here. But I tend to travel light. So yeah, I still have all of this room on this side, and then I have all the pockets here, and then I have all this room on this side, keeping the ears safe and the shoes clean. Let's keep going. What I also tend to do when I'm traveling is, like I said, I bring little backpacks inside big backpacks, but I also tend to put my like toiletries and things like that in my larger carry-on bag, and this fits really snug in here, so I really like where that is. And I also bring extra contacts, so I have my right eye and my left eye, and I might just like squeeze them in there or put them in one of these pockets. I think it is a good place. Sometimes, like I said, I'll sneak them in like little areas like that. But just to know that this fits in really snug here makes me really happy, because sometimes this could be really bulky, as you guys can see. Actually, you could probably even fit upright like that, and just, yeah, I actually think it could fit upright. That's pretty cool too. So maybe I'll squeeze like a couple more items in here, like in between my shirts and the bag. Let's figure it out. So after putting together my makeup brush kit, so this is my travel kit, I actually just put it in here right next to my bag. So let's see how this works out. Like if we would be able to do that. I mean, that looks pretty good. I mean, for all this stuff, I have like 5 days worth of clothes, my pajamas, my toiletries, my socks, my makeup brushes, and this is a hard case. So to have all of this fit into this one section is kind of crazy. Let's buckle this thing up. So as you guys can see, I did buckle these little ties to keep my clothes intact and have them not move, you know, during travel. But you could also utilize the space in here too. Like, I know it's not too much space, but like even just a little bit, like to put some of my cotton rounds or something small like this bow, just kind of squeeze it in there. And it seems like this, even though it's a carry-on bag, it has a lot of room, because as you guys can see, like I fit all of my clothes in there, but I still have all of this room over here and these big pockets here. So I know that this has been compared to the away bag, and I've not tried that before. I've actually not used hard shell cases like this, so it's really good to experience it and just be able to test it out. And yeah, I'm liking this packing. Like, you don't even need packing cubes, because you just put it in here and it's organized. So yeah, but I cannot believe how much room I still have left in here. And it's a hard shell case, and I still have this pocket here too. Just like the amount of room and knowing that my ears are going to be safe is really reassuring. Okay, we're trying out our suitcase here, and it's rolling really well. Just to like, we have our TSA lock over there, but it's really easy to move. So you can see up here, this is what it looks like in the overhead compartment. It's one of the bigger ones, so it does have a lot of space up there, but it is really nice compared to the rest of the bag. Walking on the sidewalk on our way to our hotel, but I just am noticing like this this rolls really well on, like, it's very easy to roll. It holds my other backpack, and like that. Oh, awesome. And obviously here's just another demonstration of how easily this suitcase rolls. I was just so surprised by how smooth and easy it was, and it just turns, and yay, I'm awkward. So I also know that GoPenguin is like getting ready to release a 26 and a 30-inch size suitcase as well. So if you are someone that tends to overpack, or I mean, I always travel in a carry-on bag. I cannot travel in anything else because we just can't, we don't like taking the time to wait for the carousel, and just, I feel so much more comfortable knowing that my stuff is with me. But like I said, if you are someone that overpacks or needs more stuff or brings outfits for every single day that needs to be coordinated, and purses and shoes and you name it, especially the ears, they do have some larger sizes available. GoPenguin has also given me a coupon code if you guys are interested in purchasing the carry-on size bag. I just absolutely love it, so I think if you guys want to give it a go, they gave me a coupon for 15% off. It is called Mickey's Magic, so I will leave that in the description as well as like right here. So if you are interested in trying this out, like I said, I would highly recommend it. It's been compared to the Away bag, and just, it's very smooth, and I just really enjoyed using it. So I think the code works for both their website and Amazon, which I will link all these links down below if you are interested in checking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. As many of you know, I do love to travel. I've been so fortunate enough to travel so much of my life, and I feel like I've gotten pretty decent, like I'm pretty good at packing. So like I said, I always go in a carry-on bag, and this has just been a great alternative for me. I actually found that it works better than some of my other bags, so I almost will exclusively be using this bag. Sometimes for my Disney ones, I like to have the extra bling of like the polka dots or whatever, but this is a really wonderful bag. And just to go anywhere, if it's for a weekend, if it's for a week. We were gone for 5 days. All my clothes, all my souvenirs, all of my shoes, literally everything, especially the ears, fit into that bag. So as someone who loves Disney, the ears are some of the most important things to pack for, especially to make sure that they don't get ruined or bent or destroyed in the process. So that's one of my biggest priorities when I'm traveling. I've never found a good way to travel with them, and so having the extra zip pocket is just a blessing. So let me know if you guys give this a go, if you want to try it out. Let me know your thoughts on it, if you guys have heard any other reviews, or if you've tried the Away bag. I've never tried the Away bag because I don't have $250 to spend on luggage, but this is definitely like almost half the price. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye.